Lesson 5, Local Pages. So what are local pages? Here's a few examples. You might see some city fan pages in your area. You might see neighborhood fan pages in your area. For example, when I lived in San Diego, I would see tons of pages dedicated to the city of San Diego. And I would even see pages dedicated to certain neighborhoods within San Diego. For example, North Park, Pacific Beach, Ocean Beach, and more. So you can follow those different pages, and that's going to help you get more exposure to people you know are in your local market. There's also tons of real estate investing pages. They might not be local to your market, but it's a good way to grow your account and get more followers. You're also going to see brokerage pages. You're going to see local Better Business Bureau pages, small government pages, small business pages for your state, and local news pages. Those are all really good ones to follow. So you should be following all of these. You can add them as close friends, of course. And what you can do is you can leave insightful comments when any of these pages are posting. Be cognizant of what they are. Again, if it's a local page, comment with something more local that people will understand. If it's a bigger real estate page or a brokerage page, you can drop more real estate knowledge. It's a bit more generalized, and you can get more followers that way. So that's what we're going for here, guys, is follow these pages, engage with them, leave insightful comments, and you're going to get very granular audiences following you back. So why use these local pages? Well, they get us exposed to a really granular audience in a quick way. And if we provide tons of value, then we're going to get a lot of people following us. And it's a great source for referrals as well if we know how to work them. So how are we going to use these local pages? Well, the first thing we're going to do is follow them when we see them, or you can go out and actively search for them and then follow them, and then add them as a close friend, as I showed you earlier. Set the notifications to ping when they make a post. And then when they make a post, just leave a comment, as we've talked about earlier, and provide tons of value in that comment. Again, if it's a local page, be aware of that. Leave some local knowledge. If it's a bigger, more general real estate account, leave more general real estate knowledge. And don't encourage them to follow you. Again, that's a little bit spammy. If you just leave value, that's going to give them enough incentive to click on your account and hit the follow button. So follow their engaged individuals as well. When you see people who are actively commenting on your competitors' posts or some of these local pages, just give them a quick follow. And you can reach out to these accounts and potentially get a feature as well. So when you have some cool content that might work well for a local real estate account or a more bigger generalized real estate account, reach out and try to arrange a feature. You might have to pay to play, but it's going to be worth it. So where are you going to find these pages? Well, you can find them right on Instagram. Just hit that magnifying glass option there and do a search for your city first and see if you can find any city fan pages that come up that you can find and join and follow. And then also do that for a few different neighborhoods. If you live in a bigger city, you should be able to find a few different neighborhoods within your city that have fan pages. You can also do a Google search to find some of these accounts as well. So do a quick Google search, see if any fan pages come up for your city name plus fan page, and then try to join those Instagram accounts. Awesome, guys. This is a great strategy. This is something your competition is definitely not doing. So find these local accounts, join them. If you have any questions about this, again, just send me a quick email, jake@jakemarkets.com.